So let's take a look at the mirror tool, and I'll show you one or two gotchas along the way. Come to our wrench icon, then come to the canvas tab. And what you want to do is turn on the drawing guide. And when I do that, you can kind of see something in the background, but it's not very clear. And also, I want to use the drawing guide to mirror what I'm doing. So come to Edit Drawing Guide. One of the first things I'm going to do is come to that slider along the top, and either with my finger or my brush, move it across so that I get a much lighter finish. That's going to be more obvious and it won't show up in the final painting. I have a number of options at the bottom. It's set to 2D grid by default, but I want it set to symmetry. Let's move the drawing guide across again and press in the top right to commit to that. You should just be able to see that drawing guide running down the middle of my drawing. And if I open up my layers panel, it says assisted, and you can turn that on or off by tapping where I'm circling, and you can see it's checked. You can turn it off and on again. Alright, so I've got my mirror, what's my brush, DC Slap On Sketcher 2 for my oil brushes. Let's give this a try. Yeah, that's definitely working. And very quickly I can build up a mirror image. If I come to my layers panel, I can turn it off and just draw on one side. Turn it back on again. If I create a new layer, you can see it doesn't come in with that assist turned on. If I want mirror on this new layer, I have to come, tap on the icon and come to drawing assist. Then what do you know? There's my drawing assist. Now at the moment, that mirror is going down the middle of my screen and I'm drawing left to right. But if I come back to my drawing guide, I can move this mirror around to wherever I want. I can rotate it. So now we choose a brush. I'll use Dotty one for my Dotty Soft color brush set. And the very last thing, because you would be surprised how many people want to know this. This is great. How do I turn it off? You can come to your layers panel and you can turn things off one by one just by checking from the menu, or and perhaps more simply, just come to our wrench icon, come to drawing guide, turn it off, and you are good to go. Okay, if this is useful for you, if you can like and subscribe, that would do me a huge favor and thank you. Also check out the links below for some top rated tuition and a complete art studio in a box.